Hi guys, welcome to Data Missiles channel. And in continuation with the previous videos, today I'm going to explain and practically also I will show about the list data structure operations. In our last video, I guess only we have defined and how to access elements we came to know. And today, just little bit extension to the earlier video. And today we are going to see list and its operations. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. I am just defining one of the text, one of the list. Variable name is score. The values are like this and 20, 40, 60, 80, just for example. Right? So I have a multiple values in that particular variable. Here mainly, I wanted to do the some basic operations. So how to modify list. So how to modify list and how to add is suppose if I wanted to add some new values into the existing score, which is so how to add new values into existing list. So addition. So we are going to see. And the third one is and deletion. So unnecessary values if I wanted to delete, so how it can happen. So the these three things and we are going to see. So for first, for example, I have a first value is 20. So I wanted to modify that. So this first value 20, I wanted to make it as a 10. So next, what should I do? So when I wanted to do like this, so print of score, yes, which value I wanted to update? The first one, 20. The index position of 20 is 0. Okay. In what value I have to update it? And 10. So like this. So I can update the values. So now this 20 should become 0. So let us see whether it happens or not. Yes, no zero, no errors. So let me print score. So my variable name, whether it has been updated or not, let us see. Yes, in this result window, instead of 20, I have got a 10. Very good. So in this way, I have to modify the values by using the index number. Okay, so for this particular variable, if I pass the particular index position, what is the new value? So automatically old value goes up and new value will be the replaced by it. Okay, so in that way, it can be happen. So this is what about the modify. So normally whenever in our scenarios, so whenever we receive data and always we need to do such kind of changes. So to do the changes, so we can always perform this kind of operations. Okay, so this is for the modification purpose. So let us check out about the addition. So new values, how to adding into the here. So adding new values. So presently I have a four values, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80. So I wanted to add 100 over here. So let me add that value. And this is very, very important function. So whenever I wanted to add into the what? Score variable. Why? Because these values are assigned to the variable name score. So score variable is there. I wanted to add new value into the score variable. So append is the function. The value which I wanted to add 100. So let me see whether this can be happen or not. So I'm just printing the again that variable name, whether it is updated or not. So let me execute this and we will see what happens exactly. So here it is 100 is added. Okay. So in this way I can do the addition. And the next thing is deletion. So suppose if I wanted to remove the this position value. So 40 I don't want. So I can always do the how to remove unnecessary items. So here I feel the second value 40, it is not necessary for me. So I have to remove that. So score is my variable name in this function called remove. So what should I remove? So score of the position is 2, matlab index is 1. So always index starts with 0. This index position 0. for this 1, 2, 3, like this. So 1. So let me check it. So whether it has been removed or not. So I am again printing updated list. Exactly. So here it is 40 was there, but now 40 is not there. So it is not appearing. So it was removed. In this way, unnecessary values we can remove, necessary values we can add, and if there is any correction required in the values, we can always update by using the way I had explained in the modify. Okay. So these three are the important operation. So just to use how to use those functions, I had explained this. Suppose I have a, let me play with the two lists. So two list variables are there. Then what kind of operations I can do it? Okay, so I can two list, two variables are there. So one variable, so values will be like this 10 and 20 and 30 and 40. So guys, here you should note down one point. We cannot do any mathematical operation directly on the lists. Mathematical operations not allowed on the lists directly. For example, it's not allowed uh, directly in the sense, for example, somebody, yes, if I ask, I wanted to multiply this score one variable has four values, each value I wanted to multiplied by 2. Matlab, this will become 20, 40, and this is 90, and this is 160, like that. Those operations cannot be happen. So somebody may try it, for example, like this. So some people may try like this, right? So score 1 is my variable name into multiplied by 2. They feel that, yes, each and every item can be multiplied with the 2, but it's not happen. Okay, so this kind of operations not allowed. Please note down this point. So you always take care. Okay, whenever you are attempting the some kind of test set while interview and all, so there should be some kind of questions to confuse like this. So please keep it in your mind. Okay. So next, for what kind of operations happen, only I can combine both the lists. So if suppose score is there, score one is there, so I wanted to combine into the single list. Okay, so two different variable, two different lists. So let me combine into the only one list with all values. So how many values are there? 20, 40, 60, 80. And here it is, I have a 10, 20, 30, 40. So to add this, just I'm printing the that variable. So score plus score one, score plus score one. So let me check it. So I'm adding this in this addition. What kind of addition happens? So let us wait and see. If you look at here, here addition, mathematical addition is not happening. It appended to the one new list. Okay, so these values plus these values combinedly in a single list. So like that it happens. Okay, so whenever you wanted to play with the multiple list, like that. Okay, so there is, there is union only. Okay. So in this way, we have to do the operations. So in coming videos, whenever we are dealing with the some kind of challenges, then we'll have more knowledge on these lists and all. Okay. So thank you for watching. So be wait for the next video for the further data structures like tuple and further dictionary. Okay. Thank you so much.